recover energy after hand practice. Excessive self-stimulation. Excessive hand practice, also called masturbation, is a natural thing with men. It is safe as far as it did within limits, but it may cause adverse effects on their health when it gets beyond the limit. There are no ill effects from hand practice. Too much of anything is undoubtedly harmful, and the same applies to excessive self-stimulation. Erectile dysfunction is the most adverse effect among many side effects of hand practice. So, many men are searching for answers to their question of hand practice. In this video, you will know 5 masturbation questions and natural solution.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any natural remedies. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos.
Is masturbation healthy? Anything in the world that gives pleasure can become an addiction, and hand practice is also the same. If it starts to interfere in your day-to-day life and you are getting more interested in it than in an actual sexual relationship with a partner, you must be careful. It would help if you try to stop it as soon as possible. Is daily masturbation healthy or not? Some people do this every day, multiple times in a day, or do it once in a year or month. Some people are not involved in this practice at all. Every individual is different. It is healthy when done within limits. Beyond that limit, it is not healthy, and it may also cause adverse effects. Can excess masturbation cause hair loss? Just like several myths about hand practice, the conception that masturbation will lead to hair loss is not valid. There is no scientific proof that links hand practice with hair loss. There is no link between the amount of sex you do and your hair's health or thickness. Natural solution. Herbal remedies can cure side effects of hand practice naturally. No Fall, Maharasayan capsules, and King Cobra oil together can resolve the problem. The combination of these herbal products helps to reverse the problem caused because of excessive masturbation. No Fall and Maharasayan are the herbal supplements taken orally, and King Cobra is the herbal massaging oil. This oil reinforces the tissues in the genital area of men and helps them last longer in bed. They help treat sexual problems like premature ejaculation, semen leakage, erectile dysfunction, etc. If you want to know how to get No Fall, Maharasayan capsules, and King Cobra oil discreetly at home, watch this video until the end. Does masturbation cause acne? There are many fables and myths about hand practice, including how this affects the skin. Some people think that hand practice can cause outbreaks of pimples on the skin. It is not genuine. Masturbation does not cause any acne. Does masturbation affect bodybuilding and muscle growth? The answer is yes, it positively affects bodybuilding and muscle growth. Masturbation or hand practice leads to ejaculation. It lowers the testosterone levels in the body and increases DHT because you feel tired and sleepy after masturbation. Testosterone is an essential hormone for the growth of muscles. Conclusion. No Fall, Maharasayan capsules, and King Cobra oil together loaded with herbs like Kesar, Swarna Bang, Long, Jaifal, Javitri, Akarkara, Dalchini oil. These herbs collectively suppress side effects of excessive hand practice and help recover from over-masturbation quickly. World's finest over-masturbation cure.
%100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy No Fall capsules, Maharasayan capsules, and King Cobra oil from naturogain.com.
The product link is given in the video description.
Want more video like this? Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.